your cat gets up to when you're not looking? Despite Batman's charm here, cats are invasive predators. They may hunt native animals, compete for food and territory, and spread behaviour-altering diseases. But cats are important to many people, including myself. Around the Travis Wetland, the largest freshwater wetland reserve left in the Canterbury region, an estimated 36% of households have one or more cats. Many birds, lizards and invertebrates call the wetland their home. This wildlife may be vulnerable to predators such as cats, as there is no strict anti-predator fencing surrounding them. So what research am I doing to address this problem? So far I have gathered information about the domestic cats surrounding the wetland area. Most of these cats are free roaming and some of them bring home prey monthly or more often than that. These presents are left off the back door, in the bathtub, or over several stairs which have to be painstakingly vacuumed. But where are they getting this prey from? Is it from the wetland or from closer to home? My research aims to answer these questions by tracking their movements. I used a small GPS device attached to a harness, which Batman is modelling for us here. 18 years ago, a previous study was carried out in the area. Since then, more houses have been developed, there are surprisingly fewer cats, but most importantly, tracking technology has improved. In the previous study, radio transmitter collars were used. Each cat had to be manually located on foot every hour for up to 6 hours once a week for 4 weeks. Now, GPS devices are more accurate and less time consuming. The cats in my study wore their harness for 1 full week and a location point was obtained every 3 minutes. So where did they go? So far I have tracked Batman and 12 other cats. The polygons show their home range for that week that they were tracked. This is Batman's here, this is a closer look, and the blue tracks show each GPS fix. Batman visited several other houses, spent a lot of time at home, and crossed roads many times over. However, his visits to the wetland were infrequent, and he never ventured very far in. Other cats showed similar movements, and some didn't go in at all. This may be news to some of us, but the wetland is actually quite wet. Cats usually avoid water, partly to avoid getting their fur wet. Based on these findings, Batman and the other participants appear to be getting their prey from closer to home, not the wetlands. This suggests that future research around Batman's neighbourhood could be focused on other invasive predators like rats. Thank you.